We've all heard of AirPod reselling. You might have seen it on TikTok, YouTube, or any other platform, but most of us have heard of AirPod reselling. And I've managed to make just over £5,500 with just reselling AirPods. So in this video, I'm going to go over the tips and tricks which you need to be able to start this business. And I'm going to explain to you guys how easy it actually was for me to make this amount of money at just 16 years old. Just some context for you guys that are not familiar with the AirPod reselling business. Pretty much you buy fake AirPods and you resell them for a little bit higher, but the people that buy them know they are fake AirPods. I've made many videos on this, as you guys can see, so if you want some more in-depth explanation into what it is, please be sure to check out these videos. Now that you're familiar with the business, my first tip is always be active. So when a client messages you, for example, are these real, you instantly reply and you instantly respond. If there's any issues, if there's any refunds, which there most likely won't be if you have high quality AirPods, which I'm going to go over later on in the video, you guys need to be active and you need to be responding quick, because customer service in this business is everything. If you have bad customer service, you'll get bad reviews and people will not buy from you. So you need to be always replying and always be on point and professional. My second tip is always be honest. If someone asks you, are these AirPods real, which I get a lot, are these AirPods real, you tell them they are fake AirPods. However, you mention that they are high quality and are exactly like the real ones. So remember, be honest. Don't say they're real, don't say they're anything else. Just be honest with them, tell them they're fake, be straight up, and they will most likely appreciate that and end up buying. Which leads me perfectly onto the second point, quality. When you're reselling AirPods, you need your quality to be top notch, because bad quality will result in refunds, which means you have lost out on money and time. So you cannot afford to be doing this. So make sure you have a high quality supplier. Worked with many suppliers, and I've got the two best suppliers in the game that I've used to make over £5,000, and I've had zero refunds with these suppliers because the quality is that good and customers are that happy. So having the best quality AirPods will make you stand out from all your competitors, because you will start getting reviews on how good the AirPods are. I've got many reviews, as you guys can see, and this adds credibility to me, and you could say my brand or my account, for example. And people are more likely to buy when they see the quality is higher, and they will be happier with the product, obviously, and they're more likely to repeat purchase. So if you guys do want more tips and tricks, the little intricate bits that you need to start, all the best titles, best descriptions, all the best information that I have personally used myself and tested, and the two best suppliers in the game, please be sure to message me on Twitter below, and I can send you guys all the information you need to start reselling AirPods in 2024. So drop me a follow on Twitter, make sure to message me, and I will reply instantly. So that leads us to the end of the video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please be sure to drop a like, drop a sub, make sure to check out my other videos on AirPod reselling. I've done some challenge videos as well, which you guys can check out. Please be sure to check those out. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.